I'm Dr. G. Mahesh Chandra. I'm practicing here since 11 years. Vijay Specialty Dental Clinic. It is located in Shivam Road, opposite to Syndicate Bank, first floor, New Nalakunta, Hyderabad. I have passed out from SGM Dental College, Dharwad, which is located in Karnataka. In Vijay Specialty Dental Clinic, you get all the type of treatments under one roof with all specials, including implants also. So there is one new technique has come, that is called implantology, where the patient usually previously what we used to do is we used to cut the adjacent two teeth and we make the bridge if a patient lost his tooth. But now the recent developments, the last tooth will be placed as implant, which is titanium screw will put in the bone, will place it in the bone. On top of that, they will give the ceramic crown. That's called implant, where we cannot touch the adjacent teeth. So where we don't touch the adjacent teeth, so there is no problem for the patient to, they will no need of thinking of the adjacent tooth will get spoiled or not. There are 8 departments in our dental field. One is exodontia, endodontia, pedodontia, prosthodontia, and oral surgery, oral medicine, and oral pathology. 8 departments, and different patients come to us with different problems. We will be treating them. First, we will take them to oral medicine and we will diagnose the patients, and then we will send the patient to a different part of the departments. Then we will be seeing them, and according to their diagnosis, we will be treating the patient. Actual awareness is very little in India. Actually, patients should visit a dentist every once in 6 months, but nobody is visiting the dentist, so the problems will be increasing. Otherwise, they get treatment if they go every 6 months. They get proper treatment done. Specialty treatment, each specialist will treat the patient according to their department. Suppose the patient comes to endodontia with a severe tooth pain, the doctor will treat the patient according to the pain and he will take X-ray, and the patient, the tooth, if the tooth is decayed too much, it enters the pulp, then the treatment will be given as root canal treatment. And after that, once the root canal treatment is over, the patient should be covered with the crown, whether that is a ceramic crown or a nickel crown or a gold crown, any crown, that be covered, because for the patient safe, the protection of the crown, protection of the tooth only. So, and next is replacement. Suppose some patients, they get some extracted somewhere else and they come to our clinic to replace the treatment. We send the patient to the prosthodontia department so that the patient will be treated as patient's will and wish. So if the patient wants ceramic, they will go for ceramic or Procera. There are different materials are there. According to their wish, they go for the treatment.